Welcome to another how-to video from TMD Custom. This one's about personalising your footballs. So in our kit that we provide when you purchase from our website, we send out an alcohol wipe, which is really good for cleaning the ball before you apply to make sure you get off any residue or anything on there that might stop the decal sticking to it. So give it a really good wipe in the area that you want to apply to. Make sure the area you're applying to is flat and doesn't have any ridges. Let that dry for a minute or two before you try to apply it, and then using the decal we've got, remove the backing from it, look at the place where you want it to go and press down firmly to stick it in place, and just rub over it with your fingers. And then with the application tool that we also apply in the kit, rub over it for a minute or so just to make sure there's no air bubbles and you've got a really good stick from the decal to the surface of the ball to make sure that it's not got any bubbles underneath. Take your time on this part. The more you do, the better connection you'll get. Once that's done, feel around for the edge of the transfer film and then peel off lightly, making sure the decal is in place, and just rub your finger over it to make sure it's smooth. As you can see there, that is a lovely addition there to the ball. If you've got additional decals that you want to put on the ball, so you might want to put two on one side or on multiple sides, just follow the same process again, peel off the back, make sure that you put it in place, and spend your time doing that as well, because obviously once it is stuck down, it's very difficult to get it up again. That's the durability of these decals, and just repeat the process using the application tool to make sure you've got rid of all the bubbles. This really does help to get the best durability and appearance out of the decals going onto the football. If at any time when you're lifting the application film up, you feel a bit coming up, just put it back down, repeat the process until you've got a clear stick from the decal to the ball. You can see how great they look there. Really pleased with how these have come out. We've been road testing them now for a few weeks, trying them on all different surfaces, and they are really durable from what we've seen. As you can see on this one, this is one that we've been hammering around a 3G pitch with a fence around it, and it's really difficult to try and get any movement on the decal once it's firmly in place. Have any questions? Feel free to get in touch with us at TMD Custom.